Hi, this is Jane with Huggin' an Envelope, and I'm at the Crafting Casita in Las Cruces, New Mexico. And I thought I'd show you my setup here. So my friend James has a rental house on his property, and he let me have it for the Crafting Casita, and I moved in. So the furniture is either left here by a previous renter or the previous owners, and then I've added some things. Except for this desk. Now this is really James's desk. It has a metal-based platform, and it's on wheels, and I think he got it at his old job. And then he put a door on top, and I have to say, this is the most perfect crafting table for me that I've ever tried. It's the perfect height, there's enough room, and it's just comfortable. And I've got a glass mat to work on because I don't want to damage his, table. And then I bought acrylic bins at either Ross or Marshall's. Or there's a few that came from the dollar store. They started carrying the little ones, and they're handy. And I mentioned that I thought it might be fun to do videos on Facebook. Now, when I retired, I thought, hey, I could be a YouTube sensation. Well, I don't have enough to say, nor do I have the ability to do that good of a video. But I enjoy doing the little clips for Facebook. So I hope you enjoy this little tour. Okay, so when I first started crafting, I used 2 notebooks, one for stamps and one for dies, maybe 3 notebooks, because I think I had embossing folders in one on my kitchen counter. And then I later got a Rascog cart, and I thought those notebooks would be all I'd ever need. Well, no, it wasn't. But I started with a notebook, so all my stamps and dies are still kept in page protectors. Now I buy the heavy duty ones, and then the magnets from Amazon, and then I, put my stuff in it, and it works for me. I don't feel the need to label where I get all my supplies from, but I could, I guess. I don't know, I'm not that organized. And then the paper, and then I think these large ones came from Ross. And then up above I think this little tray came from the dollar store with the cards that I've completed. And then that wine rack, I'm holding vinyl and Art Deco foil in the little tubes. And if you hear the jingle jangle, that's my dogs walking around. And so this is the table. And this I did get at Ross. I have a little bin with stuff that I need, right, of what, that I use frequently. Okay, that pin cushion is one that Isel from Ice Lanes made. And I use that pin to unclog my glue bottles. I have this turntable with pins in it. My friend Val from Lost Sock Laundry gave me this Chase Your Purpose paperweight, and it's perfect to hold stuff down while I'm gluing it. Really appreciate it. And then I have, I follow Jennifer McGuire, and she's the GOAT for a reason, because she knows everything there is to know about organization and crafting. I mean, she's a nice person. So yeah, I follow her, and I try to emulate her as much as possible because her stuff is amazing. So my iPad, James got me this Cricut Joy Extra. No, it's the Extra. So it does a little bit more than the previous Joy. Now I have the Maker at home. And I have to say, this little one is perfect for a card maker. I don't need all the things all the time that my Cricut Maker does. I don't really work with 12 by 12 all that much unless I'm building something, then maybe. But the Extra seems to work just fine. Now, it is nicer than the regular Joy because the mats are 8.5 by 12. So 8.5 by 11 piece of paper fits on there. So I have this bin with my die cutting plates and my extra mats, my Spellbinders Platinum 6. This drawer unit I originally got to put inks in, but that really wasn't conducive. So now it holds scraps, and they're by Rainbow Order. Then I got this. Okay, I needed a new trimmer. My old trimmer I bought at Office Max. So you know how long ago Office Max was in. I think it was like, it had to be 30 years ago or more. I love that trimmer, but it just wasn't cutting clean. So I got this Tonic Studio. It's the hard plastic 12-inch platform. Now I like the base with the hard plastic because I found the other ones, the smaller ones, if they gave a little bit when I was pressing to cut, that it wouldn't make my cuts straight. And I love this. And the ones with the swing out arm, I'm sorry, I do not read a ruler well enough that I can measure when the gap is where the arm swings out and I need to cut. I just can't hang with that. And then I have the giant trash can because I generate a lot of paper, but they do recycle here in New Mexico. And then this little unit, I got the ink storage on buy one, get one, scrapbook.com, and it works. It's perfect, it fits in here. I could have used 2 more. But I had this one from Spectrum. It was on the desk. Wasn't really good on the desk. It was too wimpy. I don't know. It moved. It bugged me. And then I have a bin down here for my mink and Art Deco foil. Everything that goes with the laminator type foil. I have my ink blending tools. And then I have the hot foil stuff in another one of these bins. And that's basically the crafting Casita. And there's my little dog Finny and my little dog Daisy. And we want to say thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.